Hey there, Mr. Nano here on the Oasis at the Rory Meyers Children's Adventure Garden at the Arboretum, and we are looking at the amazing array of flowers that we have out here. I want to talk about the relationship between flying insects known as pollinators and the flowers that they will pollinate. Okay, so the flowers give the insects something in return in the form of sweet, sugary nectar. And how the insects find a particular flower is really fascinating. So we all know that insects have little antennae buzzing above their heads. But what do those antennae do? Well, actually they work a lot kind of like our noses that have little sense organs on there. And each flower produces a particular scent. It floats in the air like tiny little oil bubbles. And if we were able to see it, it would look like clouds of color over each particular species of flower. And this means that butterflies and bees and other pollinators can find a flower to sip the nectar from, to pollinate, and even to lay their eggs on. Let's take a closer look. I'm sitting here next to a milkweed plant. And this type of milkweed, which is native to Texas, is also called the butterfly weed. And that name fits it very well, because the particular butterfly which likes this plant is the monarch. Something special about the butterfly weed is that it actually produces toxins, which means that most insects can't eat on it. But because of that is the exact reason why the monarch caterpillar is able to eat in broad daylight. Now, we're going to see more of these caterpillars and more of these butterflies as they move up on their northern migration, which is spread out. They'll all funnel through Texas in the southern migration closer to autumn in the winter. And for this reason that we have the milkweeds and other flowers that the butterflies like, the Dallas Arboretum and the Rory Meyers Children's Garden has been specialized as a monarch way station.